How to turn off subtitles on Amazon Prime Video on TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how you can turn off subtitles on your Amazon Prime TV. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how you can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. Launch your Amazon Prime on your TV. After that, just select a show that you want to watch. For example, this one right here called Beast. I'm just going to tap on watch now. After that, the video will start playing. So what you're going to do is just tap on the navigation bar on your remote. After tapping on it, you'll be finding the subtitles option very easily on your screen. Just switch over to the subtitle option. Just switch right to the subtitles option. Just click on it and you'll be finding the subtitles on option. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, it will be turned off. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to turn off your subtitles on your Amazon Prime Video on your TV. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.